Hey, what's up, guys? You got Crypto Chuck back here with the group Crypto Black. Hope you guys having a great day. Hope you guys enjoying your hump day, baby. And hope you guys are putting in those stops. Hope you guys took some of those gains. Hope you guys are making some money, man. That's what it's all about, right? And freedom. Freedom is what it's all about as well. So let's jump right into it, guys. Oh yeah, before we do that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We definitely appreciate everyone that's like, sharing, subscribe to the channel. I hope you guys get some of this chain link, man. You see chain link? All right, so let's get right to it. So it says JPMorgan calls Square's 50 million Bitcoin investment strong vote of confidence for the cryptocurrency. Now we all know JPMorgan and Chase, what Jamie Dimon, all them was saying about Bitcoin a few years ago, saying they're gonna fire anybody that's actually buying Bitcoin that worked for him, and blah 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 blah. And look where we at today. Gonna find they was actually buying hundreds of millions of dollars worth of Bitcoin. All right, so Square's recently announced $50 million investment in Bitcoin is a strong vote of confidence for the future of Bitcoin and a signal the payment company sees a lot of potential for the cryptocurrency as an asset. JPMorgan analysis said in a report dated Tuesday. Now, while Square's $50 million investment pales next to the MicroStrategy recent $425 million loading up of cryptocurrency, JPMorgan global market strategist wrote that Square is likely to make more purchases. Other payment companies will also likely follow in Square's footsteps or risk getting shut out of a growing segment, the JPMorgan analyst wrote. Now, millennials have been using Square's Cashapp to buy BTC, the researchers noted, and that demand along with MicroStrategy purchases indicate Q3's Bitcoin demand exceeded supply at a greater level than Q2's. While noting that option contracts to BTC have risen due to how institutional clients prefer to deal with established exchanges like the CME, the JPMorgan strategist said it's likely retail traffic is driving the surge in options. Square's investment is a strong vote of confidence for the long term because the September sell-off in BTC only partly alleviated what the JPMorgan team described as overbought conditions created during late July, early August. However, an overhang of net long positions could create a headwind for the price of BTC in the near term, the analyst said. Now, I rest my case. You know, here, as you guys can see, with more institutions buying in to crypto, it's only going to drive the price up. If you're retail, you're just a regular guy, a regular Joe, and you're just accumulating, doing your dollar cost averaging, you're buying in, you're ahead of the game. You're ahead of everyone else currently at the market. And when institutions start coming in and start having how they're going to actually how they're actually going to make money from this year, how they're going to be actually buying Bitcoin and selling it to you, that's when you start really going to see it going crazy. So if you're not in it right now, I suggest start learning how to get into it. Have your little bag because it's coming, guys. It's millions, hundreds of millions of dollars going to start coming. It's coming that institutions are buying and they're not playing. So this is a sector that you guys want to get into. And DeFi is great. I mentioned this before about DeFi as well, where with these negative interest rates and around the globe and very super low interest rates, here in the States, people gonna want to start moving their money to where they actually will be getting some really nice interest rates. So, I'm not telling anybody what to do. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not your financial advisor. So just do your own research, guys. Do your own due diligence, and just look and see. The writing is on the wall. Okay. But I think this is great news, man. I think this is great news. This analyst, talked about Square and MicroStrategy. We went over all these things before here on this channel about MicroStrategy and Square. And you know, we're gonna start seeing a lot of these big banks, and we already know they're buying it up. And they're gonna be selling it to you soon. So you know, at a very higher price. So, guys, make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you guys in the next video. Also, guys, if you haven't already, make sure you guys go over to if you have whatever you listen to podcasts. So we're on Apple Podcasts, we're on Google Podcasts, we're also on Spotify and a lot other podcast distributors. And we are called the Crypto Black Podcast, and we love to have you guys come over, join us, listen in on the podcast. We offer a lot of good information as well, a lot of good free information that you guys are going to learn over there on our podcast. And if you haven't already, just subscribe to this channel here, guys. We'll be doing some more giveaways, and the only way that you can get a giveaway if you're to be a subscriber to the channel, okay? But guys, you know, we're gonna do something real nice real soon too for our subscribers. So you know, and I have the crypto to do it. So, you know. So I'll see you guys next video, guys. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this channel here. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe to our podcast, the Crypto Black Podcast, over on Apple, Google, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, Spotify, and a few other distributors of podcasts. Okay. You got Crypto Chuck here with the group Crypto Black. Join our Crypto Black Facebook group. And also, if you guys want to buy some Bitcoin, go to crypto.com and buy some Bitcoin, guys. The link is below. The special, the referral special is actually going away in October. So, guys, remember, if you want to buy some cryptocurrency, you want to buy some Bitcoin, the special going on right now is, the promotion is going on right now is $50 for every single person that use my link and get the Ruby Red card or above. All right. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Stack your sats and chill. We out of here, baby.